Hey everyone! In this small lecture, I will show you how to create your WordPress website using DigitalOcean Cloud and how to apply a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate on your website. So let's start together. First, let's open digitalocean.com and create a new account and sign in. It's a very simple step. I will skip it. After you log in, you have to navigate to droplets, and let's now create a new droplet. Just click here on create and click on droplets to create a new machine or a new droplet as DigitalOcean's name it. Here, navigate to one-click apps and you'll find WordPress under this list. Just click on it and now you have to choose a size. I will select now the first one. It's the cheapest one. It's $5 per month. You can choose any setup you want, but now just for testing, I create this droplet and select your data center region, select your nearest one or the nearest one to your visitors so you have better experience and the best performance on your website. Now click create and let's continue our work. It's very simple. Now your droplet will be created. Just wait a little bit for it to finish. Alright, as you can see, this machine was created successfully and this is the IP address. Let's copy it and open it in the browser. And now it says, please log in into your droplet via SSH to enable your WordPress installation. Very simple. Let's now go back, open this machine, and now click on console in the right here. Open the console, and here is our machine. Now log in as root. And the password will be sent to your email address. So let's open my email inbox. And here is the email from DigitalOcean. And here is the password of your droplet. So simply let's write down the password. The password will be hidden, so you have to write it and be sure to write it correctly. Alright, when you enter your password, it will ask you to immediately change it. So you are forced to change the password the first time you enter it. So again, I will enter the password and enter a new password. As you can see, it's asking for the current password. So it's the same password here in the email. So let's write it again. 53D1. Okay, and now it asks for the new password. So I will enter a password for me and retype it again. And great, here we are, the WordPress was enabled. Let's now go back to our website and try to refresh. And awesome. As you can see, WordPress is now active. Let's install it, click your language and continue. Let's set a site title. I will name it as an example, fun site. Enter a username, it's my username here, and my password. And you can set your email address if you want, and click install to continue the installation. And here we are. Let's log in. And here we are in WordPress on DigitalOcean. Very nice. Everything is working fine. Now the second thing I want to do is to assign a domain and apply an SSL certificate to secure the website with SSL and HTTPS protocol. So let's do this. Okay, the first thing I will do is to open my domain manager. I hosted a domain on GoDaddy. This is my domain, fantasia.org. I will use it just for testing my website. The first thing I will do is to open the name servers section here and change the name servers. Set it to custom, go to DigitalOcean, then go to networking. The domain section is here. I will copy my domain name and add it to my list. And here we are. You can see here my name servers. Just copy them and paste in GoDaddy so the management will be done by DigitalOcean and not GoDaddy. Copy these. It's NS2 and NS3. And let's save them. And here we are. It will take some time to navigate from GoDaddy to DigitalOcean. So let's wait a little bit. Alright, as you can see, the DNS information cannot be shown because the name servers aren't managed by GoDaddy. Now it's in DigitalOcean, so now we are ready to add an A record for our domain. Just add the host name and point to the machine or the droplet you created here and click create record. So now our domain is pointing to this IP address of our website. So now we are ready to install the certificate. So let's open now the console again and let's start. If you can notice here, it says if you would like to use Let's Encrypt to create an SSL for this site, please see this link. So let's open this link for the instructions, and here we are. This is the link from DigitalOcean and it's a step-by-step guide. The first thing you have to do is to install the Let's Encrypt client. So let's open the console and start running the commands. I will say sudo add apt dash repository ppa certbot and run the command. So I misspelled apt, it is not apy, apt. Alright, and run the command now again. It says you to enter the enter key to continue. It's okay. Alright, so everything is fine. Now we have to update the packages. Run sudo apt dash get update. Run the command again and wait a little bit for the packages to be updated. Okay, the update is finished. So now let's install the certificate bot. Let's say sudo apt get. It's very simple process. Just follow the steps in this page and you will be done. Certbot Apache. Just say now yes, Y, and continue the operation. Okay, now we are ready to install the certificate. Just run the command sudo certbot dash apache -d and pass your domain name here. My domain name is fantasia.org. This is what I guess. This is my domain. Let's be sure it's spelled correctly. Fantasia.org. Yes, fantasia.org. That's it. Click now enter and launch the command. And I think the installation will be successful now. This is the last command. It will ask for an email address for this domain. Let's say admin@fantasia.org. Okay, it will tell you to agree the terms and services. Let's agree and continue. As you can see, it's very simple, step-by-step process. It's asking here to share your email address or not. It's up to you. Now I will continue. Now it's obtaining the certificate. Just wait a little bit. Alright, so the operation finished, and now it asks you if you want to redirect all your traffic to HTTPS, or you want to have two versions from your website, one with HTTP and one with HTTPS. So it's up to you also. It's up to your website and your choice. I will say now redirect, so all the traffic will be encrypted with SSL, which is option 2 here. Alright, it says congratulations, your certificate and chain have been saved. Very nice. So now we have encrypted our website with SSL. Now we have the last step, which is changing our domain name in WordPress. So let's go back to our website and go to settings, go to general tab, and here you will see your domain name. Just change it here, HTTPS, and set your domain, which is fantasia.org. And here we are. Let's save the changes. Click now. It will show you that the first time your connection is not private, and so on. Click advanced and click proceed to proceed to your website. And fantastic, as you can see now, our website is protected and secured with SSL, and here is our domain name. And everything is fine. Let's open our website, and very nice. This is the website, secured, and everything is working fine. And this is how you can install WordPress on DigitalOcean with SSL Certificate. I hope you enjoyed the video and this lecture. Please, if you have any questions, comment below or open our website's questions section at hdk.com, and I will be there and our team will be there to help you in any question. Thank you for following. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like the video, and to press on the bell for notifications. You can also view our other lectures. Thank you and see you in other videos.